Hello everyone and welcome back to USA Cars Experts, the channel where we explore the most exciting vehicles of today and tomorrow. If you love futuristic cars, innovative technology, and unique automotive designs, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2027 Honda NBOX, a compact vehicle that proves you don't need a massive SUV to enjoy comfort, practicality, technology, and style. The Honda NBOX has been one of the most successful compact vehicles in Japan for years, and the 2027 model takes everything people love about this iconic city car and elevates it to an entirely new level. With a futuristic design, advanced safety systems, premium interior features, and remarkable efficiency, the 2027 Honda NBOX is designed for modern urban life. At first glance, the new NBOX immediately stands out. Honda has managed to maintain the vehicle's recognizable boxy silhouette while giving it a much more modern and premium appearance. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights connected by a stylish illuminated light bar that stretches across the width of the vehicle. The redesigned grille is elegant and aerodynamic, helping improve efficiency while creating a futuristic visual identity. The body lines are smoother than ever before. Honda engineers have carefully sculpted every surface to reduce wind resistance while maintaining the spacious interior dimensions that NBOX owners appreciate. Large windows provide excellent visibility and create an open feeling inside the cabin. The floating roof design adds a touch of sophistication, while new alloy wheel designs contribute to a premium look that rivals vehicles from higher segments. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2027 Honda NBOX is its size efficiency. Despite being compact on the outside, the interior feels surprisingly spacious. Honda's engineers have maximized every inch of available space, creating a cabin that comfortably accommodates passengers while providing ample storage solutions. Opening the doors reveals an interior that looks more luxurious than ever before. Premium materials cover the dashboard and door panels, while soft touch surfaces create a refined atmosphere. The cabin design is clean, modern, and minimalist, following Honda's latest design philosophy. Ambient lighting adds elegance during nighttime driving, creating a relaxing environment for both drivers and passengers. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all essential driving information in a clear and intuitive format. At the center sits a large infotainment touchscreen with improved graphics, faster response times, and seamless smartphone integration. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing drivers to stay connected without the clutter of cables. Voice control technology has also received significant upgrades. Drivers can adjust navigation, climate settings, media playback, and communication functions using natural voice commands. This helps reduce distractions and enhances safety while driving. Comfort has always been one of the NBOX's strongest selling points, and the 2027 model raises the bar even higher. The seats are redesigned with improved cushioning and ergonomic support, making long journeys more comfortable. Higher trim levels feature premium leather upholstery, heated seats, and ventilation functions that enhance comfort in all weather conditions. Rear passengers benefit from generous headroom and legroom thanks to the vehicle's tall roofline and efficient packaging. The flat floor design allows passengers to move around easily, while adjustable seating configurations provide flexibility for various transportation needs. Cargo versatility remains one of the NBOX's biggest advantages. The rear seats can be folded in multiple ways, allowing owners to transport everything from groceries and luggage to bicycles and larger household items. Whether you're commuting to work, shopping, or embarking on a weekend adventure, the NBOX adapts to your lifestyle. Under the hood, Honda is expected to offer a highly efficient powertrain lineup. The standard engine is likely to feature a refined turbocharged unit that delivers excellent fuel economy while providing sufficient performance for daily driving. The engine works seamlessly with an advanced continuously variable transmission that prioritizes smoothness and efficiency. In addition to the conventional powertrain, many automotive experts expect Honda to introduce an enhanced hybrid version. This hybrid system would combine impressive fuel efficiency with reduced emissions, making the NBOX even more attractive to environmentally conscious buyers. The hybrid model could become one of the most efficient vehicles in its category. Driving dynamics have also received significant attention. Honda engineers have improved suspension tuning to provide a smoother ride while maintaining responsive handling. The lightweight chassis contributes to agility in urban environments, making parking and maneuvering through crowded streets remarkably easy. Noise insulation has been enhanced throughout the cabin. Improved sound-deadening materials reduce road noise, wind noise, and engine vibrations, creating a quieter and more refined driving experience. This makes daily commuting more relaxing and enjoyable. Technology plays a major role in the 2027 Honda NBOX. The latest generation Honda Sensing Safety Suite comes equipped with numerous advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and collision mitigation systems. The vehicle's advanced sensors and cameras continuously monitor the surrounding environment, helping drivers avoid potential hazards. These technologies provide additional confidence whether navigating busy city streets or traveling on highways. Parking has become easier than ever thanks to a 360-degree camera system available on higher trims. The system provides a comprehensive view around the vehicle, helping drivers maneuver into tight spaces with confidence. Automatic parking assistance may also be available, further simplifying urban driving. Connectivity features extend beyond smartphone integration. The vehicle supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring that systems remain current with the latest improvements and enhancements. Remote vehicle monitoring through a smartphone application allows owners to check vehicle status, lock or unlock doors, and manage climate settings remotely. The exterior lighting system deserves special attention. Advanced LED technology improves visibility while consuming less energy. Dynamic lighting functions add a premium touch and enhance safety during nighttime driving. Distinctive daytime running lights ensure that the NBOX remains instantly recognizable on the road. Honda has also focused on sustainability throughout the vehicle's development. Recycled materials are used in various interior components, reducing environmental impact without compromising quality. Improved manufacturing processes contribute to lower emissions during production, supporting Honda's broader sustainability goals. The 2027 Honda NBOX is expected to be available in a wide range of colors, allowing customers to personalize their vehicles according to individual preferences. Two-tone paint schemes, contrasting roof colors, and premium finishes help create a stylish and youthful appearance. Customization options are likely to be extensive. Buyers may choose from different wheel designs, interior trim packages, technology upgrades, and comfort enhancements. This flexibility ensures that every customer can create an NBOX that perfectly matches their lifestyle and preferences. One area where the NBOX truly excels is urban practicality. Its compact dimensions make it easy to navigate narrow streets and crowded parking lots. Excellent visibility, a tight turning radius, and advanced parking aids transform city driving into a stress-free experience. At the same time, the spacious interior ensures that practicality is never sacrificed. Families, young professionals, and retirees alike can appreciate the vehicle's ability to maximize usable space while maintaining compact external dimensions. Honda's reputation for reliability continues to be one of the NBOX's strongest assets. The company has a long history of producing dependable vehicles that offer years of trouble-free ownership. The 2027 model is expected to continue this tradition with durable engineering, quality materials, and proven technology. Affordability is another major factor contributing to the NBOX's appeal. While offering premium features and advanced technology, Honda aims to keep pricing competitive. This value-focused approach allows buyers to enjoy modern conveniences without stretching their budgets. Industry analysts predict strong demand for the new NBOX due to growing interest in efficient urban mobility solutions. As cities become more crowded and fuel efficiency remains important, compact vehicles with intelligent packaging are becoming increasingly attractive. The NBOX demonstrates that innovation isn't limited to large luxury vehicles. Through thoughtful engineering and clever design, Honda has created a compact car that delivers comfort, practicality, technology, safety, and efficiency in a remarkably attractive package. For many buyers, the 2027 Honda NBOX could represent the ideal balance between size and functionality. It offers enough space for daily life while remaining easy to drive, park, and maintain. The combination of advanced technology and user-friendly design ensures that ownership remains enjoyable for years to come. As automotive trends continue evolving, the Honda NBOX serves as an example of how manufacturers can meet modern transportation needs without compromising convenience or comfort. It proves that compact vehicles can be sophisticated, stylish, and technologically advanced. The 2027 Honda NBOX isn't just an update, it's a complete reimagining of what a compact city vehicle can be. From its futuristic exterior and premium interior to its advanced safety systems and efficient powertrains, every aspect has been carefully refined to deliver an exceptional ownership experience. Thank you for watching today's video on USA Cars Experts. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2027 Honda NBOX, be sure to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting automotive content. Let us know in the comments what feature you like most about the new Honda NBOX and whether you would choose it as your next daily driver. We'll see you in the next video.